never see the sun, always see the night. They say they want a real one, they say they want a real one to make them feel young.
Hey yo, what's good, family? Welcome back to Astro Nori for another video. I know the angle is all switched up. It's all switched up, but shout out to friend Leslie for joining me in this video. Her channel will be linked at the top of the description. Today we are going to be talking about some of our favorite Supreme items for spring summer 2020. So we don't
do it all over.
Why? Because you're we're not redoing shit. So today we're going to be talking about some of our favorite Supreme 2020 items.
Sleep week is over.
My pockets is over. It's about to be crazy out here. If you guys, yo, they becoming
I'm gonna have to get a new job
just for Supreme. Like, if you do end up enjoying this video, slap a like on it down below. Subscribe to the channel if you are new and want to enjoy more of this type of content. Click those post notification bells because I will be posting anything that has to do with Supreme. Let me know what type of videos you would like me to make in the comments, and without any further ado, let's go ahead and get straight to it.
Ooh, and if this video reaches up to how many likes? 200 likes, we'll make another separate video of the items we don't like this season.
We'll be roasting the other items because there's a lot of ass shit.
Yeah,
like,
so just be sure you guys smash that like button, smash the subscribe button because you don't want to miss this season. It's gonna be crazy.
Alright, so first up right here we got this paneled track jacket.
When I first saw it, I was like, I need this piece in my closet. I don't own a jacket personally from Supreme, so this year this is my go-to. I need to own a jacket. Last year was a backpack. This year is definitely a jacket.
Yeah, this jacket is definitely a vibe. I like the other colorways too. I'm gonna show you guys in a second right here.
I do like it too because it's like the Gucci colors, but they do come in different colors, obviously.
Exactly. This is my main one, but second it would be that baby blue colorway. I don't know why, but it's just so clean to me. It kind of reminds me of like a
But I feel like you always wear blue, so you need to get away from the blues.
I would wear this more than the Gucci colorway, to be honest. It's clean
it's okay.
to me,
I like the black one. I'm more of like a black.
The black one is fire. Yo, this is all me right here. This is the City Lights puffy jacket. You got
I like the fact that they have the Twin Towers.
That's what I'm saying. That's what called my attention.
Brings me New York vibes.
I love it because of that. Simply, it's so fire. You got the GW bridge on here.
It's cool. It's cool.
And then if you don't want the puffy and you're trying to pop out in the summer, you got the rayon version, which is just as hard, bro.
I don't know how I feel about the whole collar thing, but
this is like
don't get me wrong,
go to the beach type.
Okay, but what pants you get and what shoes are you wearing with this?
All black. You could never go wrong with all black.
I feel like it should have been like in a crew neck.
They should have made this shit a tee or a hoodie.
A tee would have been nice.
Hoodie?
Yeah, or a hoodie.
Yo, that
I feel like
fire.
You see, Supreme should call us up real quick and be like, hey, what are your thoughts on this?
Yo, cause this on a hoodie, that should have
it would have been way better. Way better.
Then we got the El Chapo.
I will be honest, I didn't even know what this was.
Yo, me neither. At first, when I saw it for the lookbook, I'm like, yo, that looks interesting. So I clicked it. I'm like, yo, it's all over print. Let me see what's up with this. Then I see El Chapo all over this shit. I'm like, yo, that's type fire. I'm not gonna lie.
I like the fact that it's all newspaper.
Exactly. It's like a newspaper headline type shirt. And it's so cool because like you can see certain things that he did. Like it literally says Se Busca El Chapo. I don't know what
when you said Chapo though, I thought you meant like El Chavo. And I'm like
El Chavo del Ocho.
I was like, that's not him.
Nah, El Chapo like the drug lord. Then you got the little Supreme branding. That's cool. Let's go to the next.
This is like my favorite. So I feel like this year, I don't think they're gonna bring a box logo.
I don't think so.
So I think this is the box logo, and I'm so hyped because it's a crew neck, and you know me and freaking crew necks. I love crew necks because I just don't like the hood in the back for me because if my hair is out, it just makes it.
Be like
it looks weird. So that's why I love crew necks, and it's more cozy for me. Definitely not the red one because you can't see the branding, but I do love that cream color.
For me, it's the cream.
The cream color is everything, but I feel it's gonna be so out.
Yeah, so it gotta be the gray.
I feel like they always bring the same colors, so like the same type of green,
especially
the same
with crew necks. They always bring this purple. They be bringing this green. Like for me, it's the gray or the black. I love the cream, but I know
they start doing like teal, freaking. I don't know, different colors.
Like, pastel colors too.
Yeah, like a bright yellow. They need to start switching up the colors.
Yo.
And finally, this is so crazy because this is one of my favorites.
Logo. I love this. Yeah. This is like equivalent to the S logo for me. This shit is so fire, bro. The Motion logo is one of my favorite designs designs, and they don't drop too many of it, which honestly makes it better. Like they're not watering it down. Hell no.
So what do you have? Oh, you have a hat like that.
We got the Motion logo hoodies coming out.
So the sweaters, that green color is really nice. As one of my favorites.
It's like a forest.
The purple is really nice too.
See what we talking about the colors? They switched it up. Cream with the red is already sold out.
Yeah.
That shit is already sold out. Like so fire though.
It's okay. We can get into maneuver to the other colors. So it's fine. But they're coming out with what else?
I think the
skate deck and the beanie.
Yo,
the beanie is really nice too. Finally, they're bringing out.
I
feel like they should have came out with a t-shirt like this.
If they do, I feel like they would do it like in one of the T releases down the line.
Probably, yeah.
The
sometimes
beanie,
they don't like tell you like certain things are gonna come out, so they'll just like sneak it in there. All right.
This beanie fire though, like hopefully the summer tees. If they do a fucking Motion logo,
or even like water shorts like this, it would be really
Motion
nice.
logo shorts.
Yeah, like the water shorts would have been. We're not gonna talk too much about it. This is one of my favorite crew necks.
So
I love crew necks. I like the gray and the red with the black. This is one of my favorites. It's simple. It's the underlined crew neck.
I feel like this is classic. This looks like something Supreme would have came out with in the 90s when they first started. Let's hit it with a little underline, little Supreme logo. Yeah, a little seasoning on it. Real simple. I actually
the pink one. I've never seen the pink. Yo, that's coming home. Oh my god, you guys don't understand. I love light pink
it's like
sweaters.
A pastel. That's what
I love light pink sweaters. Forget the gray.
We got this hoodie right here that's kind of like a weird hoodie.
It's like I just spray painted on the hoodie.
I love spray paint shit, and if you see like under it, there's actually something going on. It's just an interesting hoodie. I love when they do the all over prints.
You know what this kind of reminds me of? Like, you know when you go to the city and they do little spray things
on like a canvas. Yeah,
they take like the bowls and they just be like.
I love that type of shit. You could kind of see how they did it too.
There's a lot of like space type vibes on here.
I love that shit.
What is this like?
That's what I'm saying. There's something on the side right here. I don't know what it is though. It's like a skate. I don't know.
Comment down below if you
see what. I don't know. It's cool though.
It's cool.
Yo, this right here got me tight, bro. I'm not gonna lie to y'all.
When he told me, he was like, "Yo, there's gonna be a Tupac collab." I'm like, "Where?" And then I see this shit. I'm just like, "The fuck?"
Bro, like, what is this? They could have done so
much
much
better. This is like a Pokemon card.
Bro, they pulled out the hologram on. Like, bro,
I don't like this. It's not one of my favorites.
He's wearing Supreme briefs.
It will make it even worse if they have it in different colors, which they are gonna do.
Bro, this is the best color. And it's ass. They could have done so. It just, bro, I feel like they always drop the ball. When it comes to Tupac, you can't just play with it, bro. They could have dropped some fire. Like, he could have been wearing a Supreme tee. Could have been doing something, bro. This is so ass. Like, it's beyond me. This pink logo tee right here, I just feel like it's something you find in the city, like just airbrushed somewhere or like painted.
You use your fingers and just
you just grab that shit and just rolled it real quick. It looks clean though. I feel like in another colorway, this tee might be a
black or white or even gray. That blue is just too much.
It's throwing it off a little bit, but I'm thinking beyond the color of the tee. We got this Laugh Now tee. This is another one that's simple. I mainly like when Supreme does like a small logo on the front, big logo on the back. That's like the branding that I like. So this is down my alley.
Me personally, I don't like tees this year.
But this classic tee right here, the shop tee, it's just another. It's like
it's a basic tee.
These shits are fire.
I love the jean one.
The S logos, yo.
I have to get that.
These shits are fire, bro. That camo is clean. The fucking green one is clean.
The good thing about it too is like, you know how usually like the hats are like really like down like this? I don't like that. It's more of a curved. Yeah, it's more of a dad hat.
That's what I'm saying. They normally don't do that. The first dad hat that they did was the TNF one last season, and people loved that shit. So I'm assuming they were like, yo, those did good. Let's fuck around.
The black one is like a light.
It's like a wash.
Yeah, washed out black. Fire. It's nice. And it has the arc in the back. It's not that bad. Hands down, this was my favorite. Is the license plate hats. All of the colors are fire. Whatever color you decide to get, this is fire. I love it because it's New York, obviously, because I'm from New York. So you got the Statue of Liberty on there.
Supreme
but I do love all the colors. They're so nice. It's so simple.
Definitely a bomb ass hat. This is all you.
I love this bag. Okay. So when the bags came out this year, I saw all of them, and this is the one I gravitated the most because it gives me like 80s vibes. Yeah, I love this one the most. I don't like the other bag, which we're going to talk about a little bit later. I feel like this entire season is all about nets, except this bag. bag, and this is a nice shoulder bag. You can rock it on the side when you're wearing all black, you know, and it has like the Supreme on the sides.
Which one would you get? This one?
They're both fire. Whatever color you get is fire. Nah, the color one is nice.
That's the
this
shit.
Is disgusting. This reminds me of the freaking North Face where the baddies used to wear like in the back on their ass.
They got the net.
Hell no. Good night.
Net. Honestly, like the waist bag more than the shoulder bag because I feel like at least the front is regular, bro. Like it's not a complete fishnet, bro. This is better than the other shit. I like
the
this
blue one is
this
the best
is my
one.
favorite
This season,
bro.
that blue,
that
what is
camo?
it? The camo with like the drip, what is it, like water?
I feel like they always do yellow, they always do red, and they always do black. But this like camo right here is like a snow leopard type camo. Fire.
But they should have came out with this in the winter.
They should have came out with this shit without that fucking net on the shoulder bag. Like that shit is ass.
Let's just bring out this bag from, what is it?
Fall winter 18.
I have the same bag. They literally was like, oh, I need another bag. Oh, remember that bag? Let's throw this and just put
stripper net
on it. Exactly.
It looks
this
like
is like so easy because it's like a quick release and you can just throw it on. You can make it long, you can make it short. You can even put it in front of your bike. I was just so upset about this freaking shoulder bag.
Yeah, the shoulder bag is a letdown.
I'm so over it.
I low-key am the person that buys a shoulder. Y'all see, like I buy the shoulder bag every time and I'm debating it, bro. I'm honestly debating on getting the waist bag, which is some shit that I don't do.
This season, finally, you know, we spoke out and we said we need more. And I'm so hype about the Oreo, but...
Bro, there's gonna be 3 Oreos in the pack. They don't even have 3-pack Oreos. When you get the little pack like this, it's 6 of them.
Frugal?
It's gonna be like $8 for 3 Oreos. You know I'm buying this shit. Like, bro, there's the 2-pack that's like
the question is, are you gonna eat them?
If I buy like 5 of these shits, I'll try one. If this shit is red velvet, it could hold the dick.
I love red velvet though.
Nah, that shit is ass. If it's the, like a regular Oreo painted red, I'm good with that. But 3 fucking Oreos in a
pack of 3. That's crazy. It does say that.
That shit probably gonna be like $8. Yo, low-key, I never buy their chains. That shit is fire.
I really like this.
I do too. The portable DJ thing, shit is fire.
I need a mat. Every time you go into a Supreme store, they have this mat. Every time I go up to them and I'm like, a bitch needs a mat when she walks out her fucking bed. So I'm definitely going to buy this, but I think it's like a woven.
It's a straw mat,
which is really like rough on your toes.
Just wear socks, you good. How expensive could they make a straw mat?
I want the red one though.
The red one is the better one.
Because obviously, you know, Supreme
I'm
is
doing
red.
yoga on this bitch. I swear I'm doing yoga on this shit.
Next.
Yo.
Oh.
That's fire.
So I need this because I have a Polaroid camera.
Oh, this shit.
But I don't even want to use the paper. I don't even want to use the paper though because this only brings 10 sheets.
I hope you could buy more than one. That shit'll be retarded if you can only buy one. Because I'm not gonna open the first pack. Like,
you know what's crazy? When I got my Polaroid camera and I used it, I'm like, why are the pictures coming out so dark?
This shit gonna make me buy a Polaroid camera.
But how do you know it's gonna fit in every camera?
Because I'm pretty sure it's universal. What do you mean? It says the mini whatever the fuck right there. This shit is fire, bro. Honestly, y'all know me. I haven't even touched my band-aids. I'm probably just gonna hold this shit.
But you can't hold it. They expire.
How
That's what happened to mine.
Expire?
They expire.
How does a paper expire?
They do. They have an expiration date. Write in the comments below if I'm right or am I wrong. I'm pretty sure I'm right. That's what happened to mine because I never used mine and they expired. Good night. Wild, what the f? These shoes I need. I don't care.
Fire, bro.
Every time I talk about these shoes, people are like, that's so stupid. You just put like a little branding on a shoe. You could buy these shoes and they'll be so cheaper than buying them like this. I need these in my life.
Paying the price. They're saying that there's gonna be a lot of stock.
And I'm a type of person, like, I wear my stuff.
I'm gonna
beat these.
I'm buying them in black. I'm sorry.
No, I don't like the black.
Black Air Force activity with these shits.
I
wanna know why? Look at the laces.
So you can take them off and put white laces.
Look at the laces on these bitches. Fire.
Who cares? And you're not gonna wear that little silver thing on the front.
Yes, I am. Black Air Force activity all day
Black
with
Air
these.
Force reminds me of jail.
I wasn't gonna cover this, but I feel like I have to because it's like one of the most expensive items.
Who is buying this?
I would.
Unless you are a motorcycle, you know, racetrack person, you have a whole van.
Nah.
This is a toolbox. A tool set. Look, you connect stuff on here.
Yeah, this is for like to put all your tools in.
Yeah,
this is like if you
know how
build
expensive
shit.
These are. No,
this shit gonna be like $2,000. Yeah,
new car repair shop,
auto body shop.
Exactly.
This is catered to certain people.
These things are bread.
But technically, I feel like Supreme has been working their way to do this. They've dropped screwdrivers, fucking hammers.
So they were
all
like
this extra
small
shit.
pieces for the
and this
big
is the
shabam.
big kahuna. Like, you get me? This is what they've been working on. I feel like it's pretty cool if you can afford it. If you
I think
need
it's
something
cool.
like this.
Don't get me wrong. I think it's nice.
But
it's just
not for me. Like, you get me?
You know, maybe for my dad. Father's Day is coming up.
Not for $3,000. Yo,
the bike.
The BMX bike is fire, bro. I just feel like this shit gonna be like $2,000.
I wish
That's
they
what
sold
throw me
pegs
off.
though to put them in the back.
That would be hard.
Remember back in the day, you take like a bottle, you put it in the back wheel, and it'll be like.
Yeah. This is fire though.
I love the bike. I love the bike.
It's just that
it's
price,
just not gonna fit in my car. It's not gonna fit in my house.
You don't want to have another bike in your closet.
Shut up.
The
S logo. Alright, so the S logo, every season they come out with one. One season they came out with different colors on the arms. Last season they came out with, you know, my fire ass
Chanel,
green,
the one I took the L on.
with, you know, the magenta S.
This Chanel like fucking soft.
Yeah, it was like it was really soft. It wasn't like
this
the same
year
temperature.
we're getting
that purple one is so fire. I love that purple one.
And
what
the
other
S
colors?
is in leather. It's like a quilted leather S. That's kind of fire.
See, don't be sleeping on it. And it comes in the pants. But I really love this pink. You guys know
pink,
that light
bro.
pink. I'm into the light pink. I don't know what it is.
And it's dropping.
And then even the yellow one.
Though.
Yeah, the first week is gonna drop, and I'm really mad. They're gonna drop all the good
all
shit.
The good shit.
The first week.
And then the rest of the season is
gonna be ass.
Like, I feel like since it's dropping week 1, I'll be like easy to scoop it. You feel me? So I feel like I'm gonna take the L on this shit anyway. It's too much money, bro. Like that's the shit.
We going on vacation.
Words. It's too many things dropping at once for me to say, yo, I'm about to drop $800 right now. Like I ain't trying to do all that. So
I feel like our vacation just came at the
wrong time, bro. Word.
Because we're leaving on Sunday.
Literally, I'm gonna have to buy Supreme on vacation. But the last thing I want to talk about is
the cups.
The cup, the Heller mugs.
So
I did my research. I did my due diligence. And according to prices on the internet, these shouldn't be that expensive because a set of 6 is $60. So this shit should be at least with Supreme's up price $30 for 2 mugs, which isn't the best price, but it's not that bad.
It's not that bad.
Yeah,
$30. But you think it's a plastic? It's a plastic.
I'm pretty sure it's plastic. It's polymer. Whatever the fuck that is. But yeah, if you guys want a part 2, 200 likes down below, 250.
We'll talk about the stuff we don't like at all.
We'll roast everything. If you want another part of items that we do like, let us know as well. Go subscribe to her channel. And
let us know the items that you do like that we missed into this video.
Leave a like, subscribe if you're new.
Comment, share, subscribe.
Subscribe to her channel. And I guess that pretty much does it. I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one.
Peace. Stay up, and I'm out.